Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bing, bum, dum, 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 dum. Dum, bum, dum, bum, dum, 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 dum. Saturday is the time to chill. It's the time to get your rest on. Saturday is the day to chill. It's the time to get your groove on. Saturday is the day to chill. Get your groove, get it right on. Saturday is a day to chill. Take it easy and get your groove on. There's my audio that I'm going to use to kill it in SUNO. So now we go over to SUNO. I'm going to hit upload, select Saturdays, and I'm going to hit save, cover, continue. I'm going to sit back and wait. And it's going to load. It's going to bring in the lyrics. Okay, so there are my lyrics. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna put a bridge here. Now, you obviously saw I didn't sing a bridge, but I'm gonna insert a bridge, and it's gonna do this in the kind of in the spirit of the song. Chill out and take it cool. Chill out and take it easy. Relax and enjoy yourself. This is the time. This is the time. All right, I'm just making this up on the fly. So you do whatever you need to do to write your lyrics. Over here in style, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to go on down to my philc.net website. I know some of you may not be aware that I have all these free tools to help you effectively prompt in SUNO. So under AI Music Tools, we've got environment generators. Just click on that. Come over here and look for some really good funk prompt. Let's see, I should have a funk prompt. There we go. We want this to be energetic. We want it to be fast. We want it to be maybe an intricate melody. Jazz influence is okay. I'm fine with polyrhythms. Instrumentation. Electronics fine. And clean and modern. And I'm just going to hit generate prompt. I'm going to take this prompt. And then I'm going to go back into SUNO. And here in styles, boom, we're going to put that in advanced options. I'm going to crank this up here. Crank up the style as well. And it's Saturdays, and I'm going to hit create. Boom. And I'm on version 5, so expect some good output. And why don't we check out what we created?
Saturday is the time to chill. Is the time to get your rest on. Saturday is the day to chill. Is the time to get your groove on. Saturday is the day to chill. Get your groove, get it right on. Saturday is the day to chill. Take it in, get your groove on. I'm sitting out and take it cool. Sit out and take it easy.
You gotta take it easy.
Enjoy yourself. This is the time. This is the time. This is the time. was a lot of fun. Let's jump into the very first. And it goes something like this. Get your groove on, baby. Get your groove on. Saturday is the time to chill. It's the time to get your rest on. Saturday is the day to chill. It's the time to get your groove on. Saturday is the day to chill. It's a gift, let it go. Saturday is the day to chill. Take it easy and get your groove on. Chill out and take it cool. Chill out and take it easy. Relax and enjoy yourself. This is the time. This is the time. Version 5 has a lot of promise. Now, don't get it twisted. You see me experimenting in other tools. It doesn't mean I've forgotten about SUNO. I just like multiple opportunities and experiments. I like keeping it fresh, playing around in different tools. All right. Thank you, my friends. I'll see you next time.